Baby Mexico chopper, man, top shotter. Baby Mexico shopper. We finna talk our shit. Why not? Yeah. I am a minute. Keep me a reach I like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm tennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating. Trying to boost my image. They want the smoke. 2 to 3 kids with the scope. They clip long as a roll. We wipe his soul. Tell I eat him a cold. Do the balls a know what they bring. You know that we bring it. What is your shit, nigga? What is your timing? I am a beast. You cannot time it. Don't fuck with me. These niggas fly. When we got money, I'm running this money. You say you a killer. Little niggas stop it. Ain't a shootout. Yo, gone with me. You really a
I just voted for you today.
Hi, can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato?
So unfortunately, I don't have my caramel drizzle right now.
Let's do the mango dragon fruit refresher instead.
For the refreshers, I only have my strawberry alfredo.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Decided to start the morning off with some Starbucks. Fortunately, they didn't have anything that I wanted to drink. Like, bruh. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I got a new wheel. This thing is pretty sick. I got a new Momo Alcantara wheel. Quality of this thing is very good. I love it. I just gotta find the retaining ring that comes with the energy quick release so that I can get this horn button to sit flush, because right now it's popping out. But horn, everything still works. And whoops, anybody looking at me. But in today's video, we're gonna be doing a couple unboxings. I got some packages in from Sheepey, so it's only right that I bring the Sheepey shirt out. So we're gonna go home, get that unboxed. I got a couple things from Downstar. I have a bunch of parts just scattered around, so I got to go through every box and show you guys. So I'll see you guys back at the house. Oof, she's looking good. I just washed her up yesterday. Everything is pretty much the same on the car since my last vlog. Here's a better look at that Momo wheel. This thing is so nice. I just gotta be sure to wash my hands every time I drive my car, because cleaning this thing is probably gonna be very hard, and it attracts a lot of dust too, so I gotta be careful with this one. The grip on this one is a lot thicker compared to my other steering wheel. Alright, so we are back in the shed. Gotta scavenge through some boxes. I had to move a lot of things too, because I'm the one that's taking up all the space in the shed. That corner is literally all my stuff. So let me get this stuff moved out the way, and we'll unbox the very first package. I have to unbox it in here because it's way too big and I can't lug this thing out of the shed by myself. So give me 1 second. Shit! Alright, so we got Sheepey box, another Sheepey box, Clutch Masters, and then in here we have a transmission, a gearbox. So first up for the unboxing, we have a 5-speed gearbox. So this transmission has an EP3 gear set in it, so it's got a 1st through 5th in it, but the casing is from a K20 Z1. So the same transmission casing that I have in my car, but with just an EP3 1st through 5th in it. So I don't have to drill or tap anything for the speed sensor, which makes it very convenient. This transmission was refreshed and assembled by Dale at Gear Driven. All you Honda guys know who Dale is. He built some badass transmissions. So a lot of you guys might be wondering why I'm swapping the 6-speed out for the 5th. This is due to the fact that the EP3 gear set has a longer 1st and 2nd, which is desired for boosted applications. So you're able to stay in boost longer without switching gears every second of the way. And I picked up an 02 to 04 Rsx Type S Harness as well. You're probably thinking to yourself, why does he need this? Well, I got this for a very good price, so I couldn't pass it up. It's an uncut harness. Everything is clean, all the plugs are there. I got it for a steal, so I couldn't pass this up. And who knows, I might end up case swapping something in the future, so I'm gonna hold on to this. Also picked up the Clutch Masters kit to go along with the transmission. Some cool stickers. Shout out to Real Street for getting this in for me. Great customer service and fast delivery. This is a Clutch Masters FX400 stage 4 clutch. I was gonna go with a twin disc initially, but I was told that stage 4 will do just fine for my power goals. So I'm gonna stick with this for now. If it starts slipping, then we'll drop the transmission again and throw a twin disc in it. I don't plan on coming out like swinging like crazy with the power. I kind of want to keep it low to where, you know, I can build my tolerance up without having the horsepower too high. That's all I got for the parts in the shed here. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the Sheepey stuff loaded on a dolly, and then we'll start unboxing the stuff in the garage. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna open up this box first. I'm gonna put some gloves on so I don't get any oil or fingerprints on these parts. You guys can probably already tell what this is just by looking at the shape of it. But woo-wee. Let's open up this one. Ooh, look at that. That shit is hot. Take a look at this, guys. This looks amazing. Sheepey outdid themselves on this one. Man, this is insane. So for those that don't know, I actually sold my old turbo kit that I had. It was a T3 manifold with a 44mm tile wastegate flange on it. This time around, I went with a T4 and then a 60mm tile wastegate flange. Look at this, guys. The craftsmanship is A1. This is why I love Sheepey and why I went back to them. Their welds are just insane. And I also want to give a big shout out to Alex Soto, the owner of Sheepey Race. He kept me updated with my order and answered all of my emails promptly. So shout out to you, man. And what was also very cool is that I was able to see the behind the scenes of my manifold being made. So I'll throw a couple pictures up on the screen here. All these pictures were shot by the Sheepey media team. They take awesome pictures. Their edits are crazy. Next up, we got the downpipe. Finally got all this saran wrap off. This thing is nice. Sheesh. That's crazy. Look at the color on that. Got a little flex pipe action right there. And then a bung for the wideband. Nice, nice, very nice. That's sick. That is sick. I'm very satisfied. Now we got the jump tube. Oh, they actually sent me a... Wow, I didn't even see that. We got some V-band clamps. I don't remember ordering any giant V-band clamps like this. And then we got the gasket for the turbo. So now, onto the dump tube. This is a giant dump tube. My other one was only about like, that big. Damn, they wrapped this shit up good. Okay, so here's the dump tube. Massive. Great welds on this as well. If I had money to throw around, I would honestly just order one of these kits so that I can put it on my wall or something, or just have it as like a giant paperweight on my desk. I can't wait to throw this on the car. Most of this stuff will be hidden, but at least I know the work that has gone into this and what it looks like. And I have one last package from them. This is my flat mount intercooler. Damn, this thing's heavy. Sheesh. That's insane. This thing is like ridiculously huge. This is my favorite thing about the intercooler. And the black writing. So just know when you see that Sheepey, that means you're about to get clapped. Nah, I'm just playing. This car ain't gonna be like the fastest car out there, but it'll be quick for sure. We're not done with the unboxing yet. We got some more stuff. I picked up an 02 to 04 Type S ECU. It's a PRB A05. I'm gonna open it so I can show you guys the inside and what it looks like. This is the ECU that I'll be sending out to Honda to get the K-Pro installed for the 05 to 06 RSX. And I'll also need that jumper harness. The ECU looks like it's in pretty good condition. The PC board doesn't look like the top of a barbecue grill, so I'm assuming that it's in working condition. I don't see any burn marks anywhere, so I think we're good. I also got a package from Downstar. I ordered the valve cover one too. Oh, nice. I forgot. I ordered this a long time ago, so I really don't remember what I ordered. We got some stickers. Alright, so this is the grill kit and the walnuts that you need to fasten these bolts down. This will require me to cut into the car, so I'll be doing that with a step bit. This is my first time using a step bit. Alright, we got the Rsx Chassis Hardware Kit. I currently have these gold eBay washers in them, but these ones on the outside here are starting to fade. This is why you don't buy eBay bolts. So everything is all fading out. I also have them up on the hood here. Some of them are holding up okay, but the rest need to go.
Open up my window once again, you do hear me though. Please see the thing with the blue red star. We'll follow with the beat boy. Kill niggas more, kill Trump. Fill up bump, stuck up some. And I'm face none, just the way they will.
So the drilling went pretty well. I was able to get the walnuts to drop right in, and they're not too loose. I mean, there's some that I kind of drilled a little bit too far past, but I don't think it should affect it because these are supposed to expand as you tighten the bolt into the walnut. So I got that one down there, this one, so a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And now I'm gonna put the bolts in and see what they look like. I got everything bolted up, and man, huge sigh of relief. I did not F this up. Woo! Let's go! That's a very nice. That's a very nice. I also put in all the other ones too. The ones that connect to the hood. I added some to the power steering pump. One to the ABS mount. Radiator stay. Headlights. I was even able to get one behind the door here. You guys can see there. Like I read on the website because I wasn't sure of where the location of each bolt was, and the description said in between the fender and the door. So I was like, huh, that's kind of strange. Man, the little details. Here's one last look at the hardware kit. Shout out to Downstar for coming through with these super clean bolts. If you guys are looking for any beauty washers or hardware kits for your car, be sure to check them out. Great quality, and they offer cool colors, pretty much every color of the rainbow. So shout out to Downstar. I really like the silver. It's simple and it contrasts pretty well against the black accents. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Man, my hair is so messed up. It's so hot down here in Florida. I've been just sweating the whole time making this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the new Downstar bolts, as well as the new Hotside kit that I just got in from Sheepey. If you guys want to join me on this journey to boosting this stock K20 Z1 RSX, AC, power steering, stock piston, stock rods, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you haven't already, leave a like and a comment. I'll post more updates as I start to install more parts on the car. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.